My name is Dominic Melgoza. I currently work for the Millwrights Union Local 1076 in Lexington, Kentucky, and I graduated in the winter of 2020.
My name is Mark Calhoun. I work at GatorMade and I graduated in the year of 2020.
One of the biggest things has been, just my current career. It allows me the thing that I wanted to do most with work in general, which is to travel. And I wouldn't have even known about the union I'm a member of now had it not been for the welding program here. Carl, specifically. He's the one who pointed me in their direction.
It's extremely flexible. There's classes here, there's classes there, Monday and Wednesday, Tuesday and Thursday, some on Friday, even bimester courses, summer courses. Carl will figure out a way to work around your schedule. It doesn't matter what it really is, honestly. He'll find a way.
The Pell Grants that you just get covered most of everything. I think all I had to do was pay for books, which compared to other college programs, ones that I've been a part of elsewhere, has been vastly superior. Like, this has just been a better experience overall, because it means I'm not sweating over, I have to do this right, I have to do this right, I have to do this right. I feel more that I can focus on my work and studies and not just stress about just making it through to the end.
I had all the skills that I needed whenever I got into the workforce, so I wasn't like all the rest. I didn't need to be taught. I was a very skilled welder. I had knowledge of machining and CAD processes. I was just kind of ahead of the curve, to tell you the truth.